Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we set guys default font size in Samsung phone device. Friends, you want to set guys your Samsung phone default size. Then how can you set guys your font style default? So today friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting, scroll it, click on the display setting, again scroll. Friends, click on this style setting and tap here. Friends, click on your font style, tap here. So friends, you can see guys your download. Friends, you want to download your fonts, so then you can download, but guys we have the default size, so we will tap on to default. And friends, you can see font style will default guys. Come back friends, you can see default font style. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to set default font style in Samsung phone device. So bye bye friends, we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.